Okay, up until now, we at TechWiser preferred Oneplus TV for thinner bezels, Realme TV for its great audio, and Mi TV for the display. And this sentence pretty much summed up the best smart TV in the market right now. But now Xiaomi has launched the Mi TV 4a Horizon, which has the same Oneplus style display, better tuned 20-watt speakers, and already a better display panel. So is the Mi TV Horizon the best smart TV to buy right now? Or more importantly, the question is, how does it compare with the good old Mi TV 4a Pro? Well, this is Pradeep from TechWiser.com, and the short answer is Mi TV 4a Horizon is better. But let me break it down for you. Follow us on Instagram.com/TechWiser. I'll be answering all the questions regarding best smart TV over there and some more exclusive content. Before we get into the video, Mi TV 4a Horizon comes in two variants, 32-inch and 43-inch. Apart from the resolution, 720p in 32-inch and 1080p in 43-inch, there's no difference. Both TVs have the same processor, same 1GB RAM, same 8GB internal storage, same 20-watt speakers, and of course, Android TV OS 9.0. Okay, with that out of the way, let's see what you get in the box. Apart from the TV, you get all the usual items like TV stand, screws, a remote, and surprisingly, an AV cable splitter. There's no wall mount, and in case you want to mount the TV on the wall, you'll have to purchase a wall mount from mi.com, which will roughly cost you around 500 INR. Companies generally don't include a wall mount in budget section, which is an understandable thing, but there are no batteries for the remote as well, and come on. After all this unboxing, I have to go over to the store to fetch batteries. Come on, it's hardly 20 bucks. Anyways, let's take a look at the TV itself. Switched off, you can see the bezels are really thin. Almost none if you look at it from a distance. At the bottom, you have this bar with Mi logo embossed on it. This looks great. On the back, you have 3 HDMI ports. HDMI 1 has ARC, so you can connect soundbars or other audio devices via HDMI 1. You get 2 USB 2.0 ports, an Ethernet jack, an SPDIF port, a headphone jack, and an AV port to plug in your DVD or Blu-ray. Cable included. Okay, foremost, let's talk about the Horizon, the bezel-less claim. Well, definitely the bezels have become smaller. I mean, have a look side by side with the previous generation Mi TV 4a Pro. Even if you consider the inner bezels, it's significantly slimmer. And when I compare it with the Oneplus TV, which has the same bezel-less design, I can definitely see the difference. But it's safe to say the bezels still exist. The inner bezels are clearly visible when you switch on the TV and watch content. Now, there are a few things similar to previous Mi TVs. You get the same minimal remote with both Netflix and Prime buttons. Still no mute button, and the only way to mute is to hold down the volume button. I'm gonna say this every time until Xiaomi puts a mute button. Okay, let's do our popular display test. We have also included the Oneplus TV, old Mi TV 4a Pro, and the Realme TV to give you a perspective. Last time around, the good old Mi TV 4a Pro was the clear winner. It had the more versatile display for sports, action, and games, which is clearly visible in this flicker test. So that display position still holds for me. This time, Mi TV Horizon is the winner. So the bezels have really improved over the Mi TV 4a, while the remote and display are still the same. Now let's talk about the retuned 20-watt speakers. Well, these are the same 20-watt speakers from the previous generation. It supports DTS HD. So more or less the hardware of the speaker is the same, but might be tuned better. Now, as per TechWiser, the 24-watt speaker on the Realme TV was the best in this segment, and it was better tuned. So let's compare it with Realme TV. Okay, you get the idea, and now we are really curious about the speakers. So let's try it with the old Mi TV 4a Pro. Well, the Mi TV 4a Horizon has better speakers than Mi TV 4a Pro, but the Realme ones are a tad better. In terms of software, the Mi TV comes with Android TV 9.0 and their patch wall launcher. I like patch wall over stock Android TV. I find patch wall is more optimized. Like, have a look. I plug in a device in HDMI. Now, if I have to switch it via the good old Android launcher, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, nice. Now in patch wall, it's just there at the bottom. 1, 2, done. Another subtle feature which Xiaomi has added is data saver mode, which is also present on the Mi TV 4a Pro, and kids mode, which gives different results for different people. There is also a quick wake option this time, and I really love this feature. Every time when you press the power button, it just goes to sleep and then wakes up quickly within 5 seconds. Other than that, it has all the standard features that you get with any Android TV, like a Google Play Store from where you can install apps such as Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Hotstar, etc. etc. There is also support for Chromecast. You can also connect your Bluetooth headphone for private listening or a Bluetooth controller to play games. So the display is great, sounds good, software is pretty stock Android, but what about the performance? Well, let's check that out. Mi TV 4a Horizon carries the same Amlogic Cortex A53 quad-core processor and Mali 450 GPU from Mi TV 4a Pro. The performance is quite expected. The 1 GB of RAM shows up and the app launch time is quite high. Have a look at the sweet time YouTube takes to launch itself. However, once you're in the app, things run pretty smoothly. We played a couple of games on the TV like Asphalt and had no problems. Netflix or YouTube binge watching and casual gaming would be alright on this TV. So, should you buy it? Well, that totally depends on screen size. For 32-inch variant, the Mi TV 4a Horizon seems like a better deal. For a 500 INR bump, you get slimmer bezels and even better speakers than the Mi TV 4a Pro. Not to forget, the display of Mi is better than Realme and Oneplus anyways. And for 43-inch variant of Mi TV 4a Horizon, I recommend you spend 2 to 3k more and get Mi TV 4X 4K. It would be much sharper and yeah, a 4K panel. On that note, subscribe to TechWiser. Prateek signing off. See you soon. Thank you.